AddToAny is a social bookmarking platform founded by AddToAny that can be integrated into a website with the use of a web widget. Once installed, visitors to the website can share or save an item using a variety of services, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, email, and over 100 other services. Official plugins are available for open-source content management systems such as WordPress, Drupal and Joomla, and hosted content management systems such as WordPress.com, Blogger, Service, Tumblr and Typepad, having received over 3.1 million downloads. The AddToAny plugin is one of the most popular WordPress plugins and the most used sharing plugin for WordPress. On Drupal, the AddToAny module is actively used on over 16,000 Drupal installations. AddToAny also has a Chrome extension for end users to share any web page they are browsing. History: March 2006. Launched as the first all-inclusive web page sharing, bookmarking, and web feed subscription tool. 2009. Launched the Chrome extension. July 2011. Acquired by social commerce site Lockers. June 2013. Reacquired by AddToAny. AddToAny's original founder. See also: Add this, share this. Official website.